Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch and you can do it by pressing the home button. Once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll down through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the option called About Watch, right here at the bottom, and tap on it, and here scroll down and you should see the serial number right under the model number. And here we have the serial number of our watch. And once you're done checking, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.